And the best example of international brotherhood is in the pilgrimage of Islam, that is during Hajj. About 2.5 million people from various parts of the world, they come to Makkah to perform Hajj. People from various parts of the world, from America, from Canada, from UK, from Singapore, from Malaysia, from India, from Pakistan, from Indonesia, from various parts of the world they come, and the men, they're dressed up in 2 pieces of unsewn cloth, that preferably white. You cannot identify that the person standing next to you, whether he's a king or a pauper. It's the best example of international brotherhood. It's the biggest annual gathering of the world. 2.5 million people gather every year. And the person standing next to you, you cannot make out whether he's a king or a pauper. Irrespective whether you're rich or poor, black or white, from whichever part of the world you're coming, you're dressed in the same attire. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, in the speech of his farewell pilgrimage, he said that there is only one God, and no Arab is superior to a non-Arab, nor is a non-Arab superior to an Arab. A white is not superior to a black, nor a black over the white. The only criteria for superiority is taqwa, it's righteousness, it's piety, it's God consciousness. Irrespective whichever race you belong to, whichever color you have, that doesn't make you superior. In the sight of Allah, all are equal. Only if you're more pious, more God conscious, more righteous, can you be superior to the other human being. And when the Hajj is performed, every person, he recites, Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, Innal hamda wal ni'amata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. They keep on repeating, Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Even when he comes back from Hajj, that always remains in his mind, Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, which means, here I am, oh my Lord, here I am. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, here I am, you have no partners, here I am. Innal hamda wal ni'amata, all praises are due to you, all bounties are yours. Laka wal mulk la sharika lak, to you belong the whole dominion, the whole universe, and you have no partners. It is ingrained in his mind that Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, here I am, oh my Lord, here I am,